Good to be in your presence today. So just like Mr. Babashola said, we'll be having an amazing, 2-day session to touch on, Excel for data analytics. I know for some of you, you are already very familiar with Excel, but I can bet you that within the next 2 days, you'll learn something new. And for those of you that are also starting newly, you'd also be getting something from this session as well, right? It clears all the filters. So what makes your pivot table and your pivot chart dynamic? It is your slicer. And make sure you connect your slicer to.
I want to say very special thanks to the 10Alytics as a whole. The entire team has done a very wonderful job in organizing and delivering this training. So on behalf of Advan Nigeria, I would like to express gratitude to everyone involved. This training has been a remarkable experience and we're excited to apply what we have learned